Hi.
No,
How are you?
good. Come here. Sorry about the family.
That's all right. You got to save the bird.
Hello, how are you?
Good, good, yeah.
Good.
The bed is on the top. The first cherry tree on the left.
First cherry tree on the left.
My husband will come with you.
Okay.
I catch it. You can just look, I will catch it.
This way.
Right here.
Right, jump. And straight up.
Thank you, yes please. Thank you.
What a beautiful place. What a beautiful place.
Too much trouble, man.
Oh, I bet it is, yeah.
Too much work.
Okay, straight up again.
Yeah. You only halfway, eh?
Watch out.
Yeah, wait.
This is a big property. You've been here for a long time?
20?
20 years.
20 years.
Wow.
Big property, big trouble.
Oh, you got kids?
I've got too many kids. Grandchildren.
Too many kids.
Look out there, you can see Safety Beach.
What a beautiful view.
Okay, cherry tree.
Well, he's gone.
Hey?
Oh, he's still.
Oh no, yeah.
Oh yeah. Hello. Hello, mate.
Bites?
Oh yeah, they bite.
The bite.
Yeah. He's well stuck. Okay.
He's not happy.
Do you mind if I cut this?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, which pair?
So you're going to. This stuff always gets the birds.
And the reptiles.
Well, you cut by hands.
Yeah.
Jesus.
It's okay, we're here to help you, mate. Sometimes, oh, I've done it again.
What?
I cut myself right on the same spot. Oh. Ah, ta 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 ta.
Bites.
Yeah, yeah, she bites.
She was telling me on the phone. The girl rang up in the morning. She said, how you be right? He not a bite.
He bites, he bites. Okay, don't bite that. Ow, ow. Ah! Okay, look, I'm helping you, you idiot. Ah!
Do you want scissors?
Come back here. I haven't finished with you yet. Come on. No.
Okay.
Okay, mate. Alrighty. Now we have.
Jesus.
Oh, he was never going to get out of that.
No.
Okay, so it's a little pair of scissors.
Do you want me to hold?
If you can hold him, that'd be great. Okay.
That's alright.
What is this for?
To show the other carers what's happening.
It's just to show people how to do this. Oh. Normally, we'd have a really good pair of scissors.
Well, there's some more in the container.
That's alright, just keep an eye on this, see what I'm doing. Maybe if I bring it out into the sun a bit more, you'll see better. But that's really tangled around. Look at this guy.
Do you think he knows what's going on?
Yeah,
He knows.
yeah, he knows we're trying to save him. But, you know, he's only biting because he's in pain.
Yeah.
This hurts. Ow! Hey, hey, hey! Ah, cuck! That, ooh, he's getting in now. We're nearly there, mate. Oh, do you really have to? It doesn't really hurt that much, but it stops me from doing what I'm... This bird netting is the worst stuff. Let go with the scissors. Not only crows, not only ravens, but also all other birds as well get stuck in this.
First time.
And blue tongues.
It's first time, 20 years.
And snakes.
Yeah, well, you are using it properly, I must admit. It's nice and tight. But they get their little feet stuck in. Oh, this guy might have been out here a while, but look at that foot.
Oh, I know, mate.
Okay. That's just about it, I reckon. Let me just check.
He will be happy now.
Okay. Give us this bird. And we'll let him go with all my blood on him, okay?
He's free to go.
Now we have a friend for life. He's good. He eats all the snakes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
You be friend. That's your friend.
you know what else he eats?
What?
He goes in my chick house
Yeah.
and he eats the bloody eggs.
Does he?
Yeah, and
Well-
there are about 4 or 5 there.
Why can't you make more wire so make him
No,
stop?
I open the gate
Yeah.
for the chickens to come out. And they watching from the top from the tree. They're watching, you know. And one day I had a bucket with eggs. I left them outside to get some water inside.
Yeah.
And the bucket was overturned and they had to go on my eggs.
Okay, so they like eggs. That's,
lovely.
That's a small price to pay because they do eat lots of other stuff. The snails, the spiders, and also small snakes. They eat snakes. And we got snakes around here in Mount Martha.
Never seen one.
You never seen one in 20 years?
I had foxes, yes.
Yeah, well,
But
foxes.
not many foxes.